So I haven't done a home like security camera, inside security camera in a while, but today we're looking at this one. I don't know how to pronounce this. Nooie, I don't know. 360 Cam 2. Now these come in at about US 80, 90 bucks, somewhere in that range. It does work with, as you can see, Alexa and Google, which is kind of cool. I like that fact for sure. Because if you have one of the Alexa or Google like screens, you should, I think, possibly be able to use this to be able to see that information on the screen, which is kind of nice. If you're like, hey, show me this room or show me that room, it should just pop up on the screen. That's the hope. The other thing that I just realized when I went to their website, because I was like checking out their website, I was looking at this Nooie 360 Cam 2, and I was like, oh look, there's an app. Figuring that it would take me, somewhere to say download it from here, which you can. There is this app here, but you may see this here too if I scroll around. This also allows me to, where is it here? Download an app for my computer. Nooie, I don't know. So that's one of the things that you don't necessarily see on a lot of other webcams, is being able to see it on a computer, right? They don't necessarily have apps. They have apps developed for your phone, but not developed for the computer. Now, let's be honest, it's getting 1 star. So we'll see how that actually functions. But let's take a look at the box, the specs. I'm going to set it up. I may do that on camera. We'll see. And then we'll see how the apps work. Okay, so looking at their website here, a Nooie 360, again, this is $90. See everything extra clearly with full range camera movement, dynamic motion tracking, 2K resolution, 8x digital zoom, superior night vision, all within a beautiful design to be fit in any environment. You can buy these with all kinds of bundles if you want. Sure, this guy is here. I don't know. Watch your dog do stuff, but be far enough away that you don't stop them so that they don't learn. No. It does say 15 feet superior night vision, so just make sure, if you're like for us, if I put it in the kitchen and I want to see all the way down to the other side of the house, that night vision doesn't do that, right? You get pan and tilt, which is great. So not only does it do this way, but it does this way. And I'm guessing because it's called a 360 cam, it should be able to move around in full 360. Motion tracking ensures perfect capture. That's also nice. Connect and communicate. Always looking out for you, right? It's an all-rounder, rotatable, flexible, and versatile. 360 degrees of attention and protection. And worry no more. No more worrying. And it's beautiful beyond the color. Okay, I don't necessarily know what that means, but all right, sure. I got my knife. This is it here. You guys can see some extra specs. The model is the IPC 100. Here's your dimensions. Your weight, 262 grams. It shoots in 2K resolution at H.265. Two-way audio, night vision. Field of view, just so you guys know, 132 degrees. Uses a 5 volt 1 amp. Operating temperature from minus 20 to, is that right? That can't be right. It says minus 20 degrees to 60 degrees. Or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, compatibility, iOS 8 and Android 4.4. All right, let's, maybe, because it looks like it comes in 2 colors. You can get it in this white gray, or you can get it in black. And this was sent to me by Nooie, whatever. In the box, you get a little 360 cam. What's in the box? A look closer. Wall mount. Set up the app. Caution: keep away from children. Do not place in an environment that may block ventilation. Do not place near heat. Do not place in direct sunlight. So just realize, it sounds like this can overheat. Right? They're kind of just telling you, don't. Light indicators, solid red light, is powered on and initializing. Flashing red light, the device is ready to connect. Flashing between white and red light, Wi-Fi account or password is wrong. That seems to happen. Flashing white light, connection is in progress. And solid white light, the device is working properly. Okay, we'll keep that handy, but it sounds fairly straightforward in regards to what it's going to do. My hope is the app is going to be somewhat decent. This opens, because if they sent you a box that didn't open, that would be some kind of just nasty trick, right? This is going to be stuff. So we get, I'm guessing that's a mount of some sort, some kind of mount. This is going to be your wall adapter. Don't expect it to be high powered. It's going to be enough to power this unit. This is just, I'm not going to open it, but it's screws and anchors if you guys are going to mount it into a wall or something like that. And this would be your cable to power it. So is it a micro USB to USB-A? Not USB-C. That's sad. All right, whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is, you know? All right, last but not least, maybe? Anything else in here? There's something stuck on the side. These are, I don't know what that is. It's like some kind of weird sticker thing that's a little, we've got our eye on you. Well, that's a little bit creepy. You know? Okay, let's look at this. Black one. I got the black one. I like the black one. It doesn't matter. I like either of them. So there it is. It's kind of this black and gray. It's kind of more charcoal-y and gray. Right, there's going to be your power. Yeah, so this must be the stand that you would put this in and just kind of click it in there. So this would be what you would mount on the wall. And then this would snap in here. So let's see. You just kind of snap it like that. My guess is you lift it to open it, maybe. Or maybe once it's on, you're never getting it off again. That's also a possibility. Oh no, yeah, you lift it and it pops off. Okay. It comes with a little bit of force. You just gotta realize that. There's a little, there's little notches in there. And I'm guessing these have to slide under the notches. So you just kind of pop that and lift. But it does it. Okay. I'm always, a little worried. So I'd say that's pretty. There's a little sticker there. Make sure you take the sticker off. So not battery operated. Maybe like a lot of them. A lot of times, yeah. See, if you lift that up, that's where your SD card goes. It goes in there. Now I don't have one necessarily right now, but that's where it is. If you're like, where does the SD card go? Just kind of spin that up and it's right there at the bottom. Yes? Yes. Okay, so let's plug this in. And I kind of want to set this. I don't know if I'm going to set it up with the phone. We'll set it up with the phone, but then what we'll do is we'll see if the app sees it on the computer, because I'm hoping, because again, I think that's awesome that they do have at least an app for the computer. And then this goes in like so. I'm guessing that's the light that they talk about. Okay, power. Oh no, that's the light they're talking about. So we got the red. Okay, so I'm going to open up this. Oh, see it's moving? Do you guys see that? You guys see? It's vibrating. It did move. There she goes. She's spinning around. Anyway, she's doing something. Now this is probably going to need to take a 2.4 gigahertz network would be my guess. So I have downloaded this before. So I'm going to say sign in and cross my fingers that I actually have an account. Hold on. First try. Look at me. See activities. Okay. Yeah, I'm with you. See activities. Next. Okay. Activity summary. Yep. Don't care. Don't care. No activities. Go back. Add a device. You have like two of the exact same thing. I don't see this one. One of them says it supports both. One of them says it doesn't. I don't know which one I have. Doesn't matter. I'm going to say this one. And then what I'm going to do is a red light flashing. Yes, it is. You guys can see, right? Red light is flashing. Yes, red light. Allow location permissions. Sure. Allow while using the app. Please make sure that you're on a 2.4 gigahertz network. So I have to change this and go into my Wi-Fi. And I'm just going to connect to one of my 2.4 gigahertz networks because I have to do that. One sec. Okie dokie. So now it has that, but I have to put in the password. And this is always where I screw up because I can never remember what the password is for this. Good things are going to happen. Scan the QR code by holding your phone 8 to 10 inches Scan the QR code. 8. Oh, it's going to create one. I get it. So you're going to have to set this up. Yes. Scan now. There it is. QR code, right? 8 to 10 inches. Does that seem 8 to 10 inches? I don't know. Made a sound. That's good. Camera beeped. Yep. Pairing. Now we wait. I'll be right back when this hopefully works. As long as I got my password right, I think. Oh, it says connected. That's good, right? You guys see? Okay. Oh, something. Boom, boom, boom. Name your camera. I don't know what I'm going to name this. This is going to be... Just making noises. It's going to be called Office. Sure. And there it is. Hey, right? You should be able to turn it this way and get like a full screen, which means that was excellent. You guys should be able to see this here, right? I should be able to just spin it around. There's me. Fairly good response, actually. And as far as a webcam goes, or a security camera, I'd have to say that's pretty decent quality wise, right? And you guys can see my mess. There's my arm. Office. Yeah, that's all right. And like I said, the fact is that, can it go full 360? Let's spin. So I'm guessing, but it won't do a continuous. Can I get all the way around to that same spot? Right? Let's see. Yeah. So it kind of gets the same spot. I don't know why, guys. Oh, and you can even, look at this. You can even move it just with your finger. It's not as fast as, say, as the joystick, but you can. So here's my question, because it talks about a zoom. Well, I guess you can, yeah, because it's not a digital zoom, right? I mean, it's not an optical zoom, it's a digital zoom, but you can, right? So you could zoom in there and kind of move around. Okay, that's cool. I like that. And then this way, of course, just takes you out of full screen mode. So you do have a, like, settings, so general, audio, video. So general, of course, it's going to be what it's called, your owner, your model, your firmware. Oh, it has a firmware update. Look at that. So new version, sure, firmware update. We're going to do that. Updating firmware, please wait. So it's not necessarily going to give us any more features, but it'll just make it more device office motion detected. So it is doing stuff. That's good. But it is going to, of course, just make it probably more stable, and firmware updates are good, right? My Wi-Fi is good, so that's okay. If we go back here, you can do a free storage update for their cloud service if you want. Sharing, detection, motion tracking. So you can do motion tracking. I kind of want to do that. Now I don't even know if the camera's on right now. No light on the front, so it may be just being like, I can't do anything because the light's not on. And it's just doing whatever. Yes, see, my motion tracking turned off because it's doing its firmware update. Well, okay, hold on. Okay, now while that's doing its firmware update, I do want to come into my computer here and try this app to see if the app and this will work together. That's the curiosity right now. Hello. I'm just going to log in because I know my stuff. So I am definitely having problems with the app here because I put in my email and password. If I go to sign up, that's great, but I've already signed in, and policy terms, like, yeah, it's great, done, but there's no, like, and I know this is the right email because I literally just signed in with it, and there's no, like, okay button or go, at least not that I can see, right? Always be there, and I'm trying to click on stuff. No clicking. Oh, and this is flashing, so I'm guessing it's almost done. Anyways, I hit return. Nothing. Hit return. Nothing. I gotta forget password. Oh, that just started. So the firmware takes a little bit of time. But anyway, I can't seem to do anything that would be like, yep, go ahead. So I don't necessarily know why that's not working. So we're not going to try that. Good thing. Anyways, this is back up. We're going to come back into the app. It should be all good. There I am again. View playback. So Oh, see, this is for the cloud. I don't have an SD card in there, so I actually said to record. I don't think it actually recorded anything. Go back in here. I'm going to turn my motion tracking back on, which means I'm curious, like if this was, would it see me? Motion tracking. Woo, 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 woo. I don't know. Sharing, storage, detection. You got, I'm going to go just medium. It's fine. Detection zone, no schedule. No, it's all fine. And there's your free 14 days of whatever. It is fine to me though, all the time. Audio video, audio recording, rotate image. So if your camera was upside down, startup sound, night vision is on auto, which is cool. Now there's it doesn't look like any ability to change the actual resolution. So it probably isn't just 2K all the time, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. And you kind of go back here, and this is where you're going to have your home and your account and your shop for more stuff. There's your camera list. So if you have multiple cameras, of course, you could have them all listed here, edit them. It's your multi-feed stream. Yeah, no, it's good. The app on the phone works good. The setup was easy. The app on the computer, I can't get it to work. Can't get it to work. So that I don't know. That I don't know. Anyways, as far as a camera, the quality is good. It does a full 360, no more, full 360. And the app on the phone is fine. Yeah. And it's doing all kinds of notifications because I keep moving in front of it. Anyways, I'll leave links down below if you guys are at all interested in this, because I do like the fact that they have a whole bunch of different things. I haven't tested, of course, with Google and Alexa, but I'm sure it works fine. And that's it. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.